How to open and run troubleshooting in Windows 11 using command. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new tutorial, and in this video we will see how we can open and run Troubleshooter in Windows 11 using command. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to open up the command prompt in your Windows 11. For that, go to the search bar and in the search bar simply type in run. After that, this command prompt will pop up in your interface. So here you have to type in msdt.exe. So in this text box, you have to type in msdt.exe, give one space and then type in / and then ID. Now once you have done typing this msdt.exe space / and ID, now you have to give one more space, and after that what you have to do is you have to open up a new web browser in your device and then go to learn.microsoft.com. After that, go to MSDT, and under MSDT you will find all the available troubleshooting packs. So you can go to the troubleshooting packs, and under troubleshooting packs there are all kind of troubleshooting pack ID. For example, audio diagnosis, network diagnosis, CA, and many more. So according to your preferences, you have to select the one that you would like to run as a troubleshooter. For example, I want to go to this Windows Update Diagnosis. So you have to copy this ID given here. Simply copy this ID. After that, get back to the command prompt. Now next to this ID, you have to paste the ID that you have copied from the troubleshooting packs. Once you have done that, now simply press enter in your keyboard. After that, you will have this. Now you can simply run this Windows Update Troubleshooting in your Windows 11. So that's how you open and run troubleshooting in Windows 11 using command, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. I will see you on the next video.